glad your friends aren't here anymore.
Yeah.
They were really,
Gay?
yeah, they were kind of gay, pretty fat. Not too, well, they were ugly, man, I'm not gonna lie to you.
They weren't cool at all either.
Yeah, man. And they don't like trucks, they don't like trash cans.
Speaking of truck, you want to go on a drive?
Yeah, man, let's go for a drive. See if we can get some ladies.
And that piece of shit? Hell no.
Yeah, man. I've never got a lady in this truck before.
Check out your truck.
Oh, man! Who drove my truck into the water? Fuck, man.
Grab the shovel and fish out your truck.
No, man.
It's logical.
Dude, the shovel's broken. I gotta call, the insurance people. They come get my truck out the water. No! Now the shovel is gone too. Fuck. Fuck.
You guys gonna help?
Hello, is this Progressive Auto Insurance? Somebody drove my truck into the water, and I want to know if that's covered by my insurance. Well, I don't know, man. I kind of think maybe I should just get a new truck. Because my truck's kind of, well, it sucks. What do you mean I can't get a new truck? No, it's supposed to be covered in the insurance. I only get 20 bucks? What the fuck, man? Why do I even pay you people? I pay you more than that. A month. I pay you like 150 bucks a month, and you only give me 20 bucks because my truck is in the water? This is bullshit. Fuck you. Man, fuck the truck, man. Yeah. What?
Done.
Stupid.